The Automated Parking Company, a US-based vertically integrated company that provides quality parking systems to maximize your space's parking capacity. As a turnkey provider, we perform our own designing, engineering, manufacturing, installation, and post-construction follow-up services. That means when you work with us, you receive seamless parking solutions along with unrivaled customer service. In our 125,000 square foot manufacturing facility, you'll find state-of-the-art presses, plasma cutters, and other fabrication equipment which ensure our systems meet strict quality control standards. In addition to our manufacturing facility, we own our UL 508 panel shop in Orange County, California. We offer a full suite of products including our automated AGV system, semi-automated puzzle lifts, mechanical stacker solutions, vertical reciprocating conveyors, and automotive turntables. All of our systems can accommodate the smart EV charging solutions we provide. Our semi-automated puzzle lifts range from 1 to 7 levels, with the choice of a 1 or 2 level deep pit and tandem configurations. And if you're looking for full automation, our autonomous robotic AGV system is an omnidirectional shuttle that transports autos to any number of nesting spaces and levels throughout the parking vault. Prior to installation, we manage pre-con services. And when it's time to install, our team comes in to handle the implementation of your parking system and ensure seamless operation. Post-installation, we service and maintain all of our systems with comprehensive service maintenance agreements that are often more affordable than what you find with maintaining conventional parking garages. The Automated Parking Company, raising parking solutions to new heights.